Amisha Stunner. And we have Gajanath Jaykumar as a producer of Mystery of Tattoo. बात करें हमारे सितारों की, आमची मूवमेंट है, बात करें हमारे स्टार्स की, वन ऑफ माय मोस्ट फेवरेट स्टार की यहाँ पे बात करूँ, जिनका चेहरा जो है आप हम सब यहाँ देखने वाले हैं, none other than the super, the beautiful, the gorgeous. We are going to see none other than Myra Sareen. Please welcome, and we also have very dashing and talented Rohit Verma. Please welcome your gorgeous. हम कहाँ हैं? हमारी डेजी शाह से भी जो है बहुत ही जल्द मुलाकात करने वाले हैं, and साथ ही साथ we are going to meet hopefully, जहाँ तक मुझे information मिली, अमीषा पटेल and मनोज जोशी सर भी जो है हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले हैं. तो सबसे पहले जानते हैं, and how can we forget अर्जुन रामपाल से भी जो है मुलाकात होने वाली है on the television live, क्योंकि वर्चुअल जमाना हो चुका है, राइट? और सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे इनके रोल के बारे में. So to start with, Rohit, would you like to start?
Sure.
So थोड़ा सा आपके रोल के बारे में, किरदार के बारे में, मूवी के बारे में, जो आप हमारी मीडिया से शेयर करना चाहेंगे.
Sure. So I'm playing the role of Vikarn Abhimanyu. He is the top barrister in UK, and he's also opposite of Daisy. This character is very calm, very subtle, and he's so sharp that pura movie is around him and his character and his thinking. जब मूवी देखेंगे आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा इस कैरेक्टर के साथ इसकी जर्नी पे जाने के लिए. So that is the only thing I can say right now about my character. Rest आप सबको मूवी देखनी पड़ेगी.
Rohit, we are waiting to see that. Because it's a good start. You know what, Myra? I have always seen you as a wonderful performing dance. यहाँ पे salsa moves हो, चाहे आपके जिम की बात हो या फिटनेस की लेवल हो. You are above everything. Myra, this is the time now we are going to see you as an actor in the movie, and we are super excited. I'm बहुत excited.
Hi everyone, myself Myra Sareen, and I'm meeting you all for the first time, and I hope that I'm gonna see you regularly now. So hi Mumbai media. Okay, so let's talk about my character. I'm playing a very cute, bubbly cop. So I hope you're going to be excited. Yeah, and I am very happy to be part of this project because if I have to talk about my team, I have got the best team. My director, she's very nice, and it's really nice to have someone when you're getting a launch in a film. So I'm really happy about everything, and I'm just hoping to have this film on very good success. Thank you.
Definitely, Myra, आप हैं तो हम, मैं तो already इंतजार कर रही हूँ launch date का, तब हम देखने वाले हैं. And I'm sure with me everyone. And साथ ही साथ here we have our chief guest, जिनका जो है हम दिल से स्वागत करना चाहेंगे. Please everyone, help me and invite. Let's welcome a well-known and a very famous writer and director. I'm talking about none other than Shri Anees Bazmi ji. उनके स्वागत के लिए सर बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको आज यहाँ पर मिलके. इनके स्वागत के
ये जो फिल्म है मिस्ट्री ऑफ टाटू, ये इससे जुड़े हुए बहुत सारे लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं और उन्हीं की वजह से मैं आज यहाँ मौजूद हूँ. ये स्टोरी मुझे जो सुनाई गई मुझे स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगी और मेरी सारी बेस्ट विशेज इन लोगों के साथ है. एंड यंग एंड फ्रेश सारे टैलेंट है, एंड आई एम श्योर कि दे विल मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म एंड ऑल गुड विशेज आउट ऑफ देम. थैंक यू.
पहना हुआ है, हाँ, लेकिन रोशनी जो है आपके आने से असली रोशनी अपने आप ही आ गई. A very warm welcome, sir. Very warm welcome. तो to start with the gorgeous lady, क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे अपने रोल के बारे में, अपने किरदार के बारे में, अपनी मूवी के बारे में. So if there is anything that you would like to share with our media, take a deep breath and here we go.
Since we are talking about the characters, my character is so complex that I really don't know what to speak about it. Kala has made sure that this character has so many shades that she herself is confused which shade to play. But as we all know that it's a suspense thriller film, so there's not much that I can reveal. But I just want to say that Kala has given me one of the most dreamiest roles that I can ever think of, because there are so many things that like this film has particularly, offered me so many things to portray when it comes to acting and when it comes to describing the role. I think she's the right person. No.
ये टैटू ऐसा है जो ये कोरोना पीरियड में लग रहा है और ये टैटू बहुत निखर कर आएगा, इसमें कोई शक का कोई स्थान नहीं है। थैंक यू कलाई। और लंदन से हमारे साथ में सतत संपर्क में थी कि कैसा रोल है। मेरा रोल एक डिफरेंट किस्म का रोल उन्होंने मुझे दिया है और ये न्यूरो क्रिमिनोलॉजिस्ट है और वो उसका रोल क्या है, उसकी अहमियत क्या है, ये तो फिल्म देखने के बाद सारा आपको पता चल जाएगा। बट बहुत ही सुंदर रोल मुझे दिया है उन्होंने करने के लिए। इसका लुक कैसा होगा, ये क्या होगा, इसका डिस्कशन पहले से ही मैंने बहुत सारे रोल किए हैं, बहुत सारे डायरेक्टरों के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन जो जोश, जो उत्साह, जो एनर्जी कलाई के पास है वो आज हमने पहला दिन था हमारा, आज मुहूर्त में आप सब लोग आए हैं और जो देखा सिर्फ वर्चुअली अनुभव किया था, वर्चुअली आज प्रत्यक्ष रूप में देखा, बहुत अच्छा लगा। एंड हमारे टैटू के लिए आपकी भी शुभकामनाएं चाहिए। और इतनी सुंदर स्टारकास्ट है, डेजी है, अमीशा पटेल है, डेजी शाह है और मायरा है और हमारा यंग नौजवान ज़बरदस्त, हाँ आज शर्मा क्यों रहा है यार, और अर्जुन रामपाल भी हैं। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी ये टीम के साथ जुड़ने के लिए और एक नई शुरुआत ये कोरोना काल के बाद। तो हम आपके सबके हमें आशीर्वाद भी चाहिए और दर्शकों का प्यार भी चाहिए, सबको अच्छी लगेगी, डिफरेंट किस्म की फिल्म है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Great day. Thank you so much for everyone. And yeah, with everyone's God's blessing and my parents' blessings, I'm starting this one. And today, like, I'm one of the director only. Like, my name is Kalayarisi Satapan. And one more director is called Ganesh Mahadevan. He couldn't make it due to the pandemic reason. He wasn't there. And it's just like 1 week schedule is happening here. Because they cannot travel over there. So that's why we are shifting the schedule to the UK. In the UK, 1 month, the rest of all the full film will go there. So he's not here, and I'm missing you so much actually, because I always used to call him as a producer Garu. He said one day, like, I will make you as a director, and he has done it. Thank you so much, producer Garu. I miss you so much here. And then I want to thank Bhafna ji. I don't like, but no one is he is the behind the man, like for everything, all the things. If you go and tell 10 problems to him, he will come up with 11 solutions. I never ever seen a guy like this, such an amazing mentor, like, for everyone. So I want to thank him as well, and all the artists here. Amazing artists. I never ever seen. Actually, I'm so blessed to God that this much of a very intelligent and very creative and very humble and so nice. Because, like, I was like wondering, I don't know like whether I can manage it here or not, but I'm doing very well because of everyone is cooperating very well. If I ask, Manoj is how senior he is. If I ask one more or cut, and he never ever try anything. Whatever, very happily, and he's very pleasant and very in the mood. It's because of the experience and all. He's so good, and this is the way I'm talking. Like I'm usually like I talk very fast. I hope you can like get it the thing, And the Rohit, yeah, we are launching Rohit. If you want to talk about Rohit. In the midnight, 3 o'clock, if you wake him, Rohit, scene number 43, tell the third dialogue. Then he say, Kun, like that kind of things, that kind of, he memorized the full thing, yeah. So he's very ready. Whenever we are going to shoot, he's ready. And actually, like, she's playing as an art therapist. Our heroine is playing as an art therapist. Art therapist is such a new thing that, therapy is through the art. The character is not only like that, she herself is an artist. After we went to the home, like they come to know, like, oh my God, ma'am, all the ladies said, the ladies all painting so amazing, so you don't have to worry about that. How she can hold the paint brush and everything, she's very thoroughly, she has done it. So like, that's so nice.
They don't know that I paint.
Oh, you said that's her. Oh my God, nothing, then you made me, see? She didn't do that one, Right, so I'm so happy. And Kashiti also is playing one of the roles.
Oh, no.
Oh, that is so secret. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. Actually, for every casting, we have found it very quickly. But doing a part for her, it's very tough, yeah, because she's doing amazingly. You will see it actually. You know, like competing her, it's very very tough, and we have taken 4 to 5 people, filter, and finally we have found one. And Myra character. So Myra's a cheeky, bubbly, like how she is now. She is a model. She's an amazing model. Whenever the Zoom call we all meet, she's only like this now, like this, like this. Oh, she's like a stunning girl. She always is. So like that. And today we have started a scene with Manoji. Because of the confidence, we can finish it very quickly, and we have done it. Thank you so much, Manoji. Then, and I think I have covered everything. Or did I miss anyone? So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. And Ganeshji, I think you are seeing it, right? I'm here. Can you see me? I'm seeing you. Ganesh, I miss you so much. Thank you so much. He is also one of the director, so I can. Yeah, see. He looks very young, but like I don't know, like why you didn't put the dye and all then? Then at the time of shooting, the next success, right? And we are missing Arjun. Arjun here. I want to talk about him then. You know, like he's such a senior artist here. Whenever I got his number, I know, like you know, like whenever we are messaging him, we are getting very late reply. That's very usual, and we want to be getting to mind. But whenever I do the message, he will quickly respond like that. Such an amazing person. I cannot. So that's why, you know, like I'm actually basically I'm running my own animation and production company in UK, and I'm a business person. So of course, like I'm from the creative side as well then. So time kills sales. So we never ever delay for anything. He did that once. So thank you so much, Arjunji. We also missing you here then. And finally, I want to talk about Amisha ji and finish it off then. Amisha ji, I think like she's not here. Like she's also, you know, like I gave the script and she's coming up with prepared everything and coming up with the typo. Correct, this typo has happened. Oh my God, yeah, he's gone through everything. So like that kind of the preparation she also have done it. Hopefully I have covered everyone. Thank you so much for
मुहूर्त एज ट्रेडिशनल, जैसे कि पहले फिल्मों में होता था, मुहूर्त के टाइम पर शॉट लिया जाता था, उसी दिन लॉन्च किया जाता था, तो हमने उसी ट्रेडिशन को फॉलो किया है। और हमारे साथ जो लॉन्चिंग टाइम पर अनीस सर थे, तो उन्होंने आके उसको और अच्छा कर दिया। सो वी केप्ट लाइक दैट, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, यू नो, फॉर नॉट फॉर अस, फॉर एवरीवन। एटलीस्ट वी आर वर्किंग आफ्टर सो लॉन्ग। तो ये एक सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हम लोगों ने एक फिल्म की शुरुआत की है। एटलीस्ट हम लोग सब वी आर वर्किंग, या सीरियसली आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट। सो एक्चुअली आफ्टर दिस शॉट, लाइक अभी जो हम लोग यहाँ शूट करने वाले हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग लंदन शूट कर रहे हैं इस फिल्म को। एंड वी आर ओपन, नॉट वी आर थिंकिंग फॉर OTT, यू नो। देखते हैं जैसा टाइम होगा वैसा विल गो बाय फ्लो, गो विद द। मैं आपको कहानी के बारे में बताती हूँ। देखो, हमने पोस्टर लगाया था, लेकिन हमने जो मिस्ट्री क्रिएट करने के लिए वो ब्लैक लगा दिया। तो आप ये सोचो कि कितनी मिस्ट्री होगी। सो आई कैन से इट्स अ मर्डर मिस्ट्री। और आप खुद देखिएगा, अभी मैं कितना रिवील करूं। बहुत सारा लुक तो वैसे ही मीडिया के सामने आ ही गया है, क्योंकि मुहूर्त के ऊपर आप लोग थे, सब थे। तो इट्स अ मर्डर मिस्ट्री का फिल्म एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट, नो डाउट। शी इज़ विद अस, उन्होंने बहुत स्क्रिप्ट के ऊपर काम किया है। सो आप लोग सोच सकते हो। थैंक यू।
See, I already told about my role. I can't reveal much about it, but I am playing a cop again in it. So that's the only thing I can tell you right now about my role.
And also Kalai ma'am, they have put their faith and trust in me, especially Bafna ji. So बस कोशिश करूँगा कि जितना हो सके अपना पूरा इसे दूँ, and it turns out good.
I am super excited. Like, yes, the first reason is being that we have finally started working.
Yeah.
And secondly, we are traveling to London after like what?
2 years?
Sitting at home for 2 years.
Yeah.
This is as real as I can get.
It's not on.
Normal life तो नहीं बोल सकते, because precautions तो अभी भी बहुत necessary है. But the feeling itself of getting into the mojo again, starting with the word, you know, कहीं से कुछ ना कुछ शुरुआत होना, वो सबसे बड़ी बात है. And then, you know, ऊपर वाला सबसे बड़ा है, वो जहाँ जाना है वहाँ लेकर ही जाएगा.
मैम, आपके लिए कितना कोविड का जो समय था, तो कोविड का समय
घर पे झाड़ू पोछा करके सबने वही किया है यार।
एंड आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में बताइए, आप क्या करने वाले हैं?
Since फिल्म जो है वो मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री है तो ज़्यादा रिवील नहीं कर सकते हैं। एज अ डायरेक्टर ऑलरेडी सेड कि मैं एक आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट प्ले कर रही हूँ, सो शी इज़ अ गर्ल हु कीप्स एन ऑप्टिमिस्टिक व्यू टुवर्ड्स लाइफ, बट वही ऑप्टिमिज्म जो है उसको बहुत सारे मतलब मेस क्रिएट करता है, and then how she gets out of it, and then how the things get revealed to everybody. That is what the entire story is about. And my character, as I said, she comes out of one mess, goes into another mess, comes out of another mess, goes into a third mess, but eventually she triumphs over everything.
Kind of, yeah, kind of.
जब मुझे पहली बार उन्होंने भेजा था, when I was reading, I literally finished reading the entire script in 2 hours because I couldn't keep it for later.
Then you didn't read properly, did you? 2 hours you finished, right? The whole entire script.
Yeah.
Did you read properly?
But I should take toilet breaks also.
Okay then. Yeah. Go on.
So that was a thrilling experience of reading the script itself. तो जब ऐसी script के ऊपर काम करने का मौका मिलता है तो और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है।
Hey guys, good morning from Budapest. Sorry I can't be there today at the launch of the film Tattoo, but my best wishes to you, Afnanji, Rashish, Nisha, Rohit, Mahira, Manoj, Kalai, our director. Okay, this is a very interesting role that I'm going to be playing in this film. It's a walk in park for 5 days that I'll be shooting with you guys in London, and I look forward to catching up with you all there. Till then, be safe, and I'm sorry I couldn't be there today, but my best wishes with all of you. I'm sure this is going to be exciting. It'll be great to be back on sets. I'm already on set, and it feels like home. So I wish that all of you all can make it to London soon without any more hiccups, and we can start the film. I'm really looking forward to it. Have a great day and a very successful launch to all of you.
मुंबई रफ्तार न्यूज़ की खबरें पसंद आने पर हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें।